Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. We're going to learn about Val Kilmer's life in a simple and easy to understand way. Perfect for practicing your English listening. Birth, childhood and family. Val Edward Kilmer was born on December 31, 1959, in Los Angeles, California. He grew up in the San Fernando Valley with his parents, Eugene and Gladys Kilmer. Val had two brothers, Mark and Wesley. His parents divorced when he was young, which was difficult for the family. Tragedy struck the Kilmer family in 1977, when Val's younger brother Wesley drowned at the age of 15. Wesley was very talented, and Val often described him as a genius, who could have become a great filmmaker like Steven Spielberg. This loss deeply affected Val throughout his life. The Kilmers were a creative family. Val's grandfather was a gold miner, while his mother had Swedish ancestry. His father worked in real estate development and aerospace equipment distribution. From an early age, Val showed interest in acting and performing. He attended Chatsworth High School, where he developed his acting skills alongside future stars like Kevin Spacey and Mare Winningham. Education and training. Shortly after his brother's death, Val was accepted into the prestigious Juilliard School in New York City. At just 17, he became the youngest person ever admitted to Juilliard's drama division at that time. This was a significant achievement that marked the beginning of his acting career. At Juilliard, Val received rigorous training in classical theater and performance techniques. He studied Shakespeare, voice projection, movement, and other essential acting skills. The demanding program helped him channel his emotions following his brother's death. Val was known for his dedication and intensity even during his student years. He fully committed to every role and performance. His teachers recognized his exceptional talent and predicted he would have a successful career. During this time, Val also began writing his own plays and developing his creative voice beyond acting. Early professional career. Val's professional career began on stage. After graduating from Juilliard, he performed in plays off-Broadway before landing his first film role. His big screen debut came in 1984 with the comedy Top Secret, where he played Nick Rivers, an American rock star. Val did all his own singing and dancing in this film, showcasing his versatility. His breakthrough role came in 1986 when he played Lieutenant Tom Iceman Kazansky in Top Gun, alongside Tom Cruise. The film became a massive hit, and Val's portrayal of the cool, competitive pilot made him famous worldwide. His line, "You can be my wingman anytime," became iconic in film history. Following Top Gun, Val appeared in the fantasy adventure Willow, 1988, and the action film Kill Me Again, 1989. Directors noticed his ability to transform completely into different characters. In 1991, he delivered one of his most acclaimed performances as Jim Morrison in Oliver Stone's The Doors. Val learned to sing all of Morrison's songs and captured the rock star's mannerisms perfectly. Personal life and relationships. In 1988, Val married British actress Joanne Whalley after they met on the set of Willow. The couple had two children together, a daughter named Mercedes, born in 1991, and a son named Jack, born in 1995. Family was important to Val, and he often spoke about how becoming a father changed his perspective on life. Unfortunately, Val and Joanne's marriage ended in divorce in 1996. The demands of their acting careers and frequent separations due to filming schedules contributed to their split. Despite the divorce, Val remained dedicated to co-parenting their children. Val was known for his romantic relationships with several high-profile women in Hollywood. He dated Cher for a period in the early 1980s, and they remained friends throughout his life. He was also linked to actresses Cindy Crawford and Angelina Jolie. Val was private about his personal life, preferring to keep the focus on his work rather than his relationships. Major achievements and contributions. Val's career reached new heights in the 1990s. In 1993, he starred as Doc Holliday in the western Tombstone, delivering what many consider his finest performance. His portrayal of the witty, tuberculosis-stricken gunslinger earned critical acclaim. His line, "I'm your huckleberry," became one of the most quoted phrases in Western film history. In 1995, Val took on the role of Batman in Batman Forever. Though the film received mixed reviews, Val's performance as the Caped Crusader added another iconic character to his resume. That same year, he played Simon Templar in The Saint, demonstrating his range by adopting multiple disguises and accents throughout the film. Val continued to choose diverse roles throughout his career. He played a blind man in At First Sight, 1999, and appeared in the thriller The Ghost and the Darkness, 1996, alongside Michael Douglas. In 2003, he portrayed Philip II of Macedon in Alexander, directed by Oliver Stone. Beyond acting, Val was a talented artist and writer. He published a memoir titled I'm Your Huckleberry in 2020, sharing stories from his life and career. He also created paintings and exhibited his artwork in galleries. Val founded a production company and directed the film Cinema Twain, based on his one-man play about Mark Twain. Challenges and obstacles overcome. In 2014, Val faced his greatest challenge when he was diagnosed with throat cancer. He initially kept his diagnosis private, but eventually opened up about his health struggles. The treatment included chemotherapy and a procedure on his trachea that permanently affected his voice. Val had to use a tracheostomy tube to breathe and speak. Despite these difficulties, Val continued to work. He used technology to help communicate and even appeared in the 2022 film Top Gun: Maverick, reuniting with Tom Cruise. His son Jack provided his voice for the documentary Val, 2021, which chronicled his life and career. Val's reputation for being difficult on set sometimes created professional challenges. Directors like Joel Schumacher and John Frankenheimer publicly commented on the challenges of working with him. However, many colleagues also praised his dedication to his craft and his willingness to fight for his artistic vision. Throughout his career, Val faced financial difficulties as well. He invested heavily in personal projects and experienced setbacks that affected his financial stability. Yet he never stopped creating art in various forms, showing remarkable resilience. Legacy and impact on the world. Val Kilmer died on April 1, 2025, at the age of 65 from pneumonia. His daughter Mercedes confirmed his passing. He left behind a remarkable legacy as one of Hollywood's most versatile actors. Throughout his 4-decade career, he appeared in more than 100 films and television shows. Val's impact on cinema extends beyond his performances. He inspired many young actors with his commitment to authenticity and his willingness to physically transform for roles. His portrayal of real-life figures like Jim Morrison and Doc Holliday showed his exceptional ability to capture the essence of complex individuals. The documentary Val, released in 2021, allowed audiences to see his personal journey and artistic process. It revealed his humor, vulnerability, and creative spirit. Val's openness about his cancer battle also raised awareness about throat cancer and the challenges of recovery. His children, Mercedes and Jack, have continued his artistic legacy. Both have pursued careers in the entertainment industry, with Mercedes becoming an actress and Jack working as a musician and voice actor. Val Kilmer's life reminds us that true artistry requires courage, dedication, and the willingness to take risks. Through triumphs and challenges, he remained committed to his creative vision. His journey teaches us that even when facing serious health problems, we can find ways to express ourselves and connect with others. As Val once said, "I've lived a magical life." Indeed, through his performances, he created magic for audiences worldwide. His story encourages us to pursue our passions with intensity and to face life's obstacles with determination. Thank you for joining us to learn about this remarkable actor's life and legacy.